Find the inverse of f of x equals 3 log base 5 of x. All right. In order to find the inverse, the first thing I really want to do is get rid of that f of x and make it a y to make things look just a little bit prettier, like so. Then you're going to swap the x and the y. So x equals 3 log base 5 of y. Now we need to get log base 5 of y all by itself, so let's divide everything by 3. Get rid of the 3 in front. Divide u by 3. And that drops down x over 3 equals log base 5 of y. Now in order to get y all by itself, I have to get rid of log base 5. So how do we get rid of log base 5? Base 5 both sides, like this. That allows you to cross out, and so it's now just y equals. Then we have 5 to the x over third power. Flip this around and turn the y back into its f of x form. In this case, we're going to make it the inverse, though, so we have a prettier looking answer. And the inverse of f of x is 5 to the x over 3 power, which is d.